Welcome to my game development stream. I had to sneeze. First I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. So, starting Visual Studio Code, wait for the terminal. Terminal, one command to start stuff. Wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. The time I can check where I'm. Oh, no, he wants to give me updates, I don't care. Okay, still on class Spellmaker. The idea was I want to be able to make a slow hour, and the next tool I need is a slow debuff apply. Okay. Should be one more line. Okay, now it should be ready once in the browser. Localhost for me. I want to start fresh, so I delete my state. I'm the guy in the middle. First I have to choose a class. I choose Spellmaker, make you and work in progress one. I cannot start with lightning this time. Interesting. So should I try fire circle? Let's try fire circle. It's normally not really. I think I can overlap two. Perfect. Costs me view format. Let's see, 20. Okay, so I'm the guy in the middle. I should. If I take damage, I will see my HP bar above myself. If this reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. So goal is to get as far away as possible. Enemies get stronger the further away I am, and I get stronger the more I kill. And this was the short introduction. The boss gives me skill points. I think I take Orbiter or Attach. I don't think Attach works here. I take Orbiter. I don't think Fire Circle can carry me along against big enemies, but I will see. Let's add one more, I would say. Maybe 4 overlapped. Oops. Okay, autocast charge, turret, charge. I don't have any as turret and orbiter would help, but then I have no. I have to reach the next boss without any other help. I can turret it. I should. New spell, go over, turret, little mana. Next stage, to cast. This, okay. This should. Can I even. Can orbit this, I believe. I have all, even though this doesn't. There's no real orbit behind it. Check. They have levels. I go here. The mana cost? Oh, no, I protect here. U5. I will not be able to. No. Hey, I cannot stop this. Don't care. There's no overting. Seeker attach proximity. Seeker attach. I can let it seek maybe. But I cannot let everyone, because I overlapped them. Okay. I think I reset. So it's, oh, I didn't want to reset again. The mana costs you 5, I can do more. And 1 to the back. Okay. Let's see how this works out. They are not fast enough in the long term, I believe. I died. Okay, so Seek was not helping. Probably stationary would be easier. But the fire circle works as expected. What do I work on next? First increase version. 137 today. And slow, so I would need a slow tool. Slow debuff. Slow apply maybe. Apply slow. Is it this more? I think slow is enough name for a tool. I just do stuff, I guess. What is it based on? Nothing. It's more like move tools. I need to think more about it, I guess. I currently have my tool function and move tool function. Is this move tool attaches itself to something, so it's closer to what I need. But this is move specific, so I might want actually a new tool type. This is then the spell modify. This will become quite interesting, I guess. Does this not have a base type? I feel like it has. Could be a bit more specific than any. Was it not because I can have move tool and these different ones? Maybe this was the reason. So if I create a new one of these, I would be able to get move attachment. And no, not this would not be called get move attachment. It would be called get debuff attachment, maybe. But it does not necessarily need to be a debuff. I guess will And now only do debuffs. Then I have get. No, do I need something like this? Probably get debuff. Or get debuff apply function or something maybe. No, just get a new debuff, I guess. You don't care, architect paint. Paint might be interesting because currently the how to visualize it? Do I want to change the color of the original paint? Maybe. But for sprites I cannot. But I can also not apply. I can only apply the slow to damage spells. I think a bit more. Will be dependent, but it might be. Might want to visualize it differently, but who knows? But if it should affect. I think this is fair that it can affect the color. Or the paint in general. So cannot be cast, so it doesn't need these functions. There's no distance to it. It will probably get a mana cost factor. I will. It has no position. Tool select. Nothing happens when I tool select, does it? Currently not. Okay. Guess I have to make a new type, even if it's currently for just one. Debuff tool functions. It takes the same base. Create tool, get hover tooltip. Yes, these two I need. Calculate mana cost. Let's keep it. Get move attachment. Get debuff attachment. I have the object. I have the pre-stage. Do I need the pre-stage? No. Debuff goes directly to, so I can, which means also I can remove this, cast position. No. Don't see this. Game, maybe. Good. Move, this would be a debuff attachment. This type probably does not exist. Let's see, it's not in here. Type. Move, debuff, type. Check out, move attachment. Debuff attachment. But it's optional. It's probably just the base, which I extend in the end. Which means I can import this now. Get move attachment next move by amount. Get attachment debuff. Is this correct? Move debuff attach debuff. So I get the debuff attachment, and this has to be converted. Ability object game position. I don't get a position. I probably get a debuff. Key down, key up, and take paint. Description learns to upgrade. So far, so good. But what is available on first upgrade choice? I might want to rename this because while this is true, it's more or less a damage spell, and damage spells are available on first upgrade choice. The question is, should I rename this? So does damage could be a rename. Even though this says more currently, I will use this for being able to apply debuffs. This damage tool. What does damage? I try this for now. Does damage, so I am now maybe done with this thingy, but what move is debuff tool functions. Debuff tool functions. This is the one up here. This is my type. I'm missing one. Yep. Debuff tool functions. Debuff tool functions. I think so far so good. It's closer to a move tool, so I should copy from a move tool. Seek might be a simpler one, maybe. Let's create a copy, rename, tool, slow. Should I debuff slow? Great tool move it. You are not a move attachment, you are debuff attachment. You're not a seeker. Debuff slow. Maybe it's nothing like this. Slow amount or slow factor. I will see. Slow. Debuff slow. Debuff attachment slow. Tool debuff slow. Fine. Speed, tick interval, seek range. Don't matter. Debuff slow. These two do not exist. If I use the correct get debuff attachment and get debuff. I think I didn't check the get debuff. Let's. Did I clean up here? Yes, I did clean up. Debuff tool slow. Attaches to close object. Damage applies slow. Plans to upgrade to so I don't have a speed, I don't have a direction, I don't have a start position. Is my you should complain, shouldn't you? No, the work in progress is any. This is not good. Why is this cast important? Does it add anything? It doesn't add anything. Work in progress. I need to type what? Yeah, this one. Wait, I specify it here. Wait, is this broken? I'm confused. You say it's any. So they are different? No. Yeah, I say what type it is, but he doesn't care. Interesting. I'm confused. I thought he would take the any away this way. Maybe because I have errors up here? Let's fix these first. We have attachment. Create object move attachment, dwarf attachment. This is a dwarf attach. No. Could it slower? Just there's no direction. There's no speed. Start position. No. This decent slow amount. Slow amount. Return. This is not move attach. This is slow attach. Okay. Next one. Function. I have a dwarf attach. Already the slow. Seeker, I don't think. I have the ability object. No, I have the debuff attach. And I'm already in the slow, so I have to return. Create slow. Create debuff slow. Slow factor is slow amount. Duration is good question. Let's go 2 seconds. Game time. Game state time. Debuff slow. Cannot find, okay. Hey, where are you? Oh, he's happy. Okay, get debuff. Does this mean he doesn't complain anymore up here? But here he still does any. Which confuses me. Do I have different work in progress? No. Is this really how it always worked? Because I called create function. Wait. No. Debuff. Subtype. Subtype will get debuff. Level, tool damage. Damage I. Do I have for slow? Ice? No, I don't have a slow. I take attach for now. Create tool. This is on keyed out. This is still. I'm still confused. Do I also make a... Why did I have a create function? I only use it in one position, it seems. I don't necessarily need one, but I want to have the type here correct. And I make work in I don't need to call it work in progress. Debuff attachment slow. This type, and it is debuff attachment slow. Now you slow amount. I will check later. Tool ability, owner ability, attached to target. This one is an important one, isn't it? Key up. For now, these do not exist, but you should complain here again. This is not casted. Okay. Okay, now you complain. Distance and direction based on... I could do distance to affect the amount. Seeker doesn't have a start position. And not Seeker. Why? Slow. I will need a start position. Position. Take it. Set it. I don't remember if I should do a copy or not. This is a copy. Just be safe, I guess. I have a start position now. Start pose, okay, I makes a longer name, I guess. I have to change the amount later or the limits. Paint. D of attachment, slow attach. Start position doesn't matter. D of attachment doesn't matter. But if he wants this, or is it the incorrect type? It has the type, so this should be fine, I hope. Okay, back to paint. I currently cannot affect anything, but I should do something. CTX draw no text I don't remember. Fill text, stroke text, measure text, do fill text, I guess. Slow. I will need a. I think fill text does everything. Have X, Y. It has a max, so it's interesting. Calculate move position. I have a paint position. Paint pose X, paint pose. But what is this paint position? I put in field style. This is it. Slow. CTX. I forgot. Font style. No. I think this was it. Is it? Font size plus pixel area. Okay, I think this is fine. Now, there's currently no problems. Let's clean up a bit. I need to put this to Spellmaker. Should I order it this way? Move, fireline, explosion, Seeker. I want to order them slightly differently. Let me. I have explosion, pitch, lightning. Okay, this is my default damage. Move Seeker, turret, orbiter. Orbiters are my move tools, and no debuff slow. Okay. Which means I should be able to get it as an upgrade choice now. I should be in my tool selection, but it should not be able to be applied, I believe. Let's find out. Fire line, Seeker, proximity, fire circle, explosion. Didn't see it yet, I believe. No, I didn't see it. I added it. Ah, yes, of course, of course, of course, of course. I should. Sit here. Close. Find all references. So this hopefully helps. Tick ability. Does it tick? It does tick, so this will need one case. But maybe this should also be changed, but I don't care for now, I guess. Where are you pointing? Tools, move tools here, move attachment. Mana cost. Move. If it has a calculate mana cost, I can add something. I will think this is not too important yet. Move tool function, paint tool, object recursive. Now I ignore and ability. Work in progress, paint. Ignore for now. Yeah, I'm in cast, I believe. Cast, yeah, this doesn't matter. It's not the first, then I need to go over these, I guess. So I need a copy, I believe. I have keys of not move tools, but debuff tools. I check if I find it. Debuff tool functions. Same check. Debuff. The description. Is there any difference? Yes, there's a difference. I'm confused. These are relatively similar. I could combine the code a bit. Here also. They all have a description. Spellmaker tool functions. I feel like the description was not. No, the description has to exist for all. Base has. No, the base doesn't have the description. Description. I can put the description in the base. Learns to upgrade, and this is also base. Is it? Use it everywhere, it should be. Okay. Tool functions. They are generic in a sense. I think a bit. Might be able to do it with the base. We'll find out, I guess. Probability. Also, they might change over time. Yeah, I have probably... Yeah, I have one more check in here. These two are the same. They might change in the future. I guess I keep it for now. So I now added them as options. Get hover tooltip. This should also be implemented. Nothing else. Could be a switch. Doesn't matter. This will be move, and then I have debuff here. What is the difference between them? Get the tool functions, get hover tooltip. There is no difference, is there? I don't see one. I should do it more like this. Add tool functions. Like this. Why start as undefined? Undefined. And I set them. And after it, they are all the same. And he doesn't complain? Because he knows it's one of these and they all have this. Okay. Interesting that he can see this. We take... So this is mine. I give the tooltip. So I should be able to get it as an upgrade now. Slow here. It didn't appear. Interesting. Why not? So somewhere I don't check, and this is in the upgrade most likely. Execute option. Somewhere here. Tool functions. I don't see what I do here. I get my ability, I check that stuff exists. I check if I have this tool already. I check if I this is my first spent points, and I go into Spellmaker mode. And I set the in selected tool. Now I check the additional info. Then I know it's a default Spellmaker tool. Can have next stage has some effects, it seems. And can have next stage. Why is can have next stage important? Because I remember. Okay, this is not important, so I would just need this case where I now check debuff tool functions and push debuff tool functions. Okay. Now it should be added. Wrong button. Slow. Now I have slow here. If I have this and slow, I don't see anything happening. I should attach a slow already. So I should see something in the data, I believe. Let's verify. I have my abilities. Spellmaker, spells, object. Nope. No, nothing attached. Think for a moment. Can have move attachment. I don't attach it yet, I believe. Okay. Which would mean in let's search again, so I'm up to the correct lines. This is something paint related, I don't care. Cast ability. In Spellmaker I need some code for it. You have the move case. So I need a case for debuff. Debuff tools on key up. For now I take key up. Attach to index on key up result. Next stage is not move attachments, this is a debuff attachment. And we calculate mana even though it doesn't do anything yet. Which means Similar code, again, bit code duplication. But now I should be able to apply the debuff attachment. I should see the word slow, I believe. Okay, next try. File line. Slow, okay. Oh, you are slow, you are slow. Let's check if it maybe happened. But I would have assumed the word slow to be somewhere. What level? Else. No, I don't see any. Because the attach condition is different. On key up attached to index. Return. Debuff attachment. Something is confusing. I think I might be in if else. No. If is keyed down. Don't care. No, I need to care. Here is another else case. Debuff. Find closest attached to index. Attached to index and tool functions. This is debuff tool functions. Queue and stage. Key down. Something is not the closest attached to index because this is probably filtering. Result. Close. Can have move attachment. This is the one. This is move specific. So here's the recursion and here is the move check. Which needs to be different based on the type. Should it be part or as a parameter? Probably. Just want the attached to index. This will be different. tool functions. Okay, so if I have move attach bool. Yes, move attach. Currently this is the only place where this matters, I guess. Move to attach. Wait. Something is move to attach. I have to think about it again. So if I can just skip this, which move these again. Move to attach might be already what I want. Boolean. Okay, just look with move to attach. This is just passed through. And I have to assume this to be false, and maybe it works already. Tool function q and spell, q and object. I follow the attach to index. I have the q and object and can put this through. Okay, let's believe that maybe now I can attach. Slow. So I have fireline. Slow. Okay, no idea if it works. Doesn't look good. And let's check if I get into you have slow, key up, and key down. Okay, key down is not happening. This means I'm still do I reach here? Yes, I do. Is it key upward QTM? Yes. Attached to index is undefined. You didn't find anything. This means first one didn't trigger probably. I trigger here. Attach to index. Undefined. Should have been something. We go in. I go over all objects. I just have one. Type is a fireline. He didn't. Should I? This if I need to get to again. I have this calculate distance function. Move to attach is false. So I should go into the next one. Can have next stage. What? So it's different again. I use this for next stage. So there are 3 options now. Stage attach, move to attach, or debuff attach. Understand the problem. So I should rename this to attach type, and this is stage move or debuff. And please attach type. Then I have move to attach, stage to reach. What is this? Move to attach, stage is one before, so stage. No. So attach type. Attach type. If this is stage, is probably the. If it's not stage, I hope this is correct. Yeah, it's attach type. Now here I have 3. Attach type. Move. Attach type. Stage. Or attach type is debuff. This does not have a second option. Okay. This looks incorrect. I think you have to be in here. One of these has to be this true. Okay. Now debuff is debuff. Move is move. And this is, I think, stage probably. Next try. Okay. I get into here. I have a distance. I should now. Yes. I found something. Oh, now I have a one key down, so I apply it. Now I have some error. Lieber slow on tick. No. Seeker direction. Yes, here I did not fix. Did I not? Did I miss this? Move tool. Seeker is not. Wait. Did I did indeed not do this one. Oops. Now he sees it. This doesn't make sense. Relative position. I have a slow amount. Okay. Oh, this would require me to have the relative position. Okay. This should prevent the crash. I should also I do not cast it. Just check in other locations if I do the casting. No, I don't. Okay, hopefully this is a bit safer. Something with create tool object file line data. I think this is the one. Doesn't complain. Does lightning do it? This looks good. Okay. Next, I have the tick. So I should now be able to apply, hopefully. Slow. So I have this, and now I slow. This worked before. Don't see anything yet. No, nothing is applied. One more try. Because it didn't know if I actually reloaded. One key up. So this is, it creates a work in progress. Good. Then on tick I could try. I was in on tick. It ticks all the time. What on tick? Where am I? You was slow. Ah, I have again this stupid. Oh. Should not be in here. Why? Something is off. Do I not reset it? If I'm in Spellmaker, I tick. No, they tick all the time. Work in progress is important part here. So I can be in here. Paint, get debuff attachment. And key up. I have a slow amount. I reset and I return the slow. I have a result. I need the attach to index, which I have. Queue and object. I have the debuff attachment. I didn't see my debuff attachment. Wait. Yeah, I have my debuff attachment. Okay, perfect. Slow amount 0. Doesn't matter currently. Okay. So I have my debuff attachment. Now where was my time? Still 30 minutes. The debuff attachment cannot be brought over, probably. Ability Spellmaker, ability Spellmaker object, which has a next stage. But move attachment is now type specific. Wait. if I do it on the base object, it would not be 100% correct, but maybe good enough. Debuff attachment, question mark, it's optional. And it would be Spellmaker debuff. Do I find this? Is this the correct type? It's also down here. So now I can attach it to ability objects. But it's not a debuff attachment, is it? It's a debuff attachment. They also have a move attachment, should be debuff attachment. Okay, so I can copy it over. I think a bit. Because in the end, they care for the next stage themselves. Who has the next stage? Turret has the next stage. Tick object. Abilities will cast next stage. Okay, this one is the one I was searching for. Spell cast. Cast the next stage. How do I apply the slow? Is it the stage object? Did I need to put the... No, I'm confused. Don't know if I need it here. I need it here. I copy it over. I'm fine. But I'm lost again. Was it cast next stage? Cast next stage. Go into spell cast from the ability functions. Give them the tool chain. What this means, they have to handle the debuffs themselves. The entire code could be maybe... Well, it's getting complicated. If I'm able to apply the debuff, then I basically done. Also the code is getting chaotic. Hmm. I have to think a bit. I have the stage object, which I cast, which has cast stage. Was the spell cast? I could currently build it into each damage thingy. They have the object. Basically, I could here tell if create object as a debuff attachments, and I do more code. And explode object can have debuff attachment basically. No, it's not more code. This is just copy, deep copy of the thingy. I have to do it at each damage cast. Okay. Not the perfect solution, but I take it. Fire circle, fire line. Hey, something doesn't match. I push and lightning. Object. Now I copy it. Okay, so I copy it over. Now I need to one tick apply it, I guess. Is it tick? No. Wait. It's now in here. Character take damage. If ability object no, you are ability object explode. You should have debuff attachment. If you have a debuff attachment, then character apply debuff. Debuff is have to find out character in game. This I should have. Const debuff is I need const Spellmaker debuff tool functions with debuff functions for this thingy. This should have a type. Debuff functions. Get debuff. This should be debuff attachment. Ability object is ability object and game. No. Spellmaker object. Okay, then take this one. And now I have the debuff. Technically I could... No, this should be fine, I hope. So explode applies the debuff. And I throw the code in everywhere. The character take damage. I think there's a small... problem with this code. This is that I don't know how immunity is, but apply debuff will catch immunity. I think everything's fine. Okay. Explode. Fireline. Character take damage. Fireline. Oh, did I again copy fireline as a word? No. So lightning. Then I have all. Character take damage. Have two. Why do I have two? Action player. Action player is different. Yes, okay, fair. But both needed. This time it's what? Target. And I put it here too. It's char. Okay. Now the slow amount is the next problem. How does the debuff work? Create d of slow factor. I divide when I apply. So 2 is halved. 0 is a problem. Okay, I think I had 0 currently, which will break stuff. Oh, is it here? Let's calculate distance. Where max min? Probably divide by 1000. 1 plus. Should slow. Mass take the bigger value. Let's say mass min. Let's say I can slow maximum by half. And it should slow at least a bit. So 100 distance, maybe like this. And duplicate code. Let's make a 3, I guess. Okay, and now it could work. So fire circle does probably one of the least damages. Fireline slow. I cannot see it yet. But it should be applied. I need here. Yes, he's slowed. Okay. Now I did not see any text. Why is this a move attachment? This is a d of attachment. Let me check. Here. No, I think then it's here. So not this, okay. Debuff. Debuff. This is incorrect. This has to be debuff attachment. Debuff attachment. Okay. Doesn't even care for a move. Because I don't use it. I have a fill style black. 20 pixel areal. The paint position. Would have expected this to be called, I guess. Let's see. Spellmaker, layer circle, slow. Slow should be applied, but he's not calling paint. Yeah, I never. Okay, I remember. Is it? Wait, is it happening in here or is it? Should be in here, I guess. Move debuff. Here's the paint. I remember I skipped it. Debuff, tool functions. This might be it. Slow. Okay. Now I'm in here. And now I need a slow value in, basically. Okay. And I don't have any mana cost. So mana cost effect needs to be added later. I have plus slow start position X. I'm not sure if this is correct, but let's see. Is it not attaching? I think here the word should have stayed. It is slowing. Okay, this is probably the place where I put it. This is only the work in progress part. So it needs to be also somewhere else, but where? You have some paint. Okay. Tool function. No, this doesn't matter if can. The question is if it has a debuff attachment. And if it has a debuff attachment, then I can debuff attachment. Okay, he's happy. Did I not save? Did I never save? Okay. Okay. Again, okay, I fireline this time. No. Did not work. Paint tool object recursive for charging. Okay, this was charging specific. No. I should be missing it somewhere else then. Mana cost is problem for next time. Reaching my time limit. Probably should make some notes. Mana cost calc is 1. We'll need to do icon will be 1, I guess. I can think about it after I fix the painting. Yep, I found the position. The only bad part is it should not be this way. But I can think about if I have a force type, I guess. Oh no, this check I don't need. Debuff attachment. Debuff attachment. Debuff. Debuff. Okay. Don't think I have any breakpoints. Spellmaker. Slow. Fireline. Slow. Perfect. And it slows. If I do the charge thingy, it displays the slow. Still have a few minutes. So the icon slow amount visualization, slow amount. So icon, maybe icon is what I can do. Should be a snowflake icon probably. So GIMP. Hello, GIMP. New. Really new? No, wait. Let's open recent. Just to have. Now I make new. I have the correct size. Add alpha channel. We need. And now I have to remember. How do I do snowflakes? This is a snowflake. Is it a star-like? No, this is. I don't remember. Slow icon. Snakes. Could also be but I wanted to see eyes. This is the one. I have to decide. So this is how it would work. Snakes. I like the snake idea. Never painted a snake. There's something like this. Is this understandable? So I have here, I think my paint skill. I mean, paint skill is not good enough to I fill this black. Maybe it's a snake, maybe not. Ah, I hate it. Why are you not hard edged? Is I think what I need. Yes, hard edged. Okay, I take it for now. I can save as snake icon. No, not snake. Wait. Did I say snake? I forgot the word. For this type of animal. Slug, I think. Slug. Yes, it's a slug. Okay. Slug icon. Not in documents. And export as PNG. Now where's my image? Did I not give them one? Image slow icon slow. No, this will be slug icon. Slug icon. Where do I link it? Image attach slug slow icon. Okay, this should be it. Spellmaker. Slow. Okay, I have the slug here. Debuff tool slow, attaches to close object, damage applies slow to enemy. Code. Body check. Explosion with my slug slow next lightning. Don't do too much damage. No slug, not so slow. And the fire circle I tried already. And fire line I also tried, but okay. I only have the 10% slow, I think. Because I never moved my cursor. Maybe, I will see. So I need enemies with a bit more HP. 20. This is a slow, definitely. Can. Next spell is lightning. Follow me again. Slowed. This is slowing. Last one. Slowing. Okay, they all work. With this I Spellmaker tool slow. Commit. I should run tests. Tests should work as I have no test for Spellmaker and changed nothing else. So far everything works as expected. Okay, now I can push. It gets deployed. Oh, I have the icon and I still have mana cost and slow mount visualization. So 2 things I need to do. And I maybe don't know if I want the repeater, but it's still an idea. And I want more upgrade choices, I guess. Undo tool, remember. Also idea, endless upgrades for damage tools. So I can get stronger with infinite levels, and I'm not limited. Okay, but with this I deployed, committed, updated my task, so I come to an end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.